zoom on to.
Fucking zoom. Fucking
No.
Unless you want a little.
Yeah, I'll keep the no. Hear nothing. Nothing.
Fucking nothing.
No. I feel like Natan's gonna speak in this one, and I actually have to remember what.
What he sounds like. You always forget what he sounds like.
I know, because he gets like 3 words. Clarify.
The more we skip through this, the more I'm like just remembering how like few backgrounds there are and how
Yeah, there's like what 3?
samey it feels. Oh, is this the threesome one?
Yes, at least I hope it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we prepared? Probably.
I mean, when I got the art, I was very excited.
Blood.
Wasn't ready
So
for
sad
that.
we didn't record that now.
I know. Oh, here we go. Okay, but what about Natan? I belong to him. Oh.
There you go, sorry. Me, Jesus.
Oh, shush, fucking Jesus Christ. How much of this do I have to edit
Hurts
again?
every time you use that.
Who's saying this one? I was like, hello?
Just waiting. I believe I understand your train of thought, insatiable girl.
I think that's her train of thought.
Girl.
Cool.
I'll say. Ha.
That's rude. So I have decided to remedy this little issue and bring a bottle of quality Southern vintage just for this special occasion.
Do you know what's funny now? Every time he talks, I feel like this is the writer being like, how long can I drag this scene out?
Sentences are really long.
It's really long sentence, and it makes it more painful to read.
Yeah, you're like, oh my god.
It hurts to read this sentence.
Artifice has already uncorked the bottle and is pouring a glass for the prince, which apparently he's had this entire time. Oh, where did those glasses come from?
It's where he hides his nipples.
Oh my god. So
and
true.
Everything will be even. ... Right after the first sip.
Is he gonna like roofie him?
Laced it. Definitely laced it.
Wasted.
Wasted. He's like, I guess that sounds okay.
I can trust that.
Oh, look at his face!
The wine too strong.
He's like, holy shit! Delta just opens the door and she's like, oh, I see what's happening.
Get that out of your head! She just slaps it.
Yeah, she's more concerned about the alcohol than them having sex.
Everywhere.
She's like, I will not have this filthy substance. Oh, you guys are having sex. No, keep going. It's alright. Please continue.
Stand here, angrily, in the background. And watch you from a distance.
And every time it looks like the prince is not pleased, she's like, do it better!
Oh my god.
Smacks you back across the...
Jesus Christ, man.
This is insufficient! She starts moving you for you.
Oh my god!
Oh my lord.
Bit too far there. I must confess, your dark... This is why he speaks this way, he's just perpetually drunk.
He's drunk, like, literally.
Yeah, he's just always drunk. Your darkness, that's also... I was gonna say, that's also why his body's so dark.
That's terrible! Oh my god.
Given you a toy, but unfortunately, it came with no instructions. So I have decided to assist you with that.
It comes with no instructions, saying it like it's a freaking, like, something you can return to a
Barbie
store.
doll.
Yeah,
Like
where's the instruction manual? He's like, let me think about that.
Therefore, I shall offer you a small lesson on human anatomy. ... completely free of charge.
Like, such things cost money. She's like, okay, and that costs $50 for the quick observation of a woman's
he
chest.
wants to put her in his harem, so she's technically a whore, right?
Yeah. With these words, he takes Natan's hands and lays it on my chest. Oh god.
And
What?
is
Ah! should be making that face. Again with that expression.
He's not pleased.
He's like, no, they're clearly not firm enough.
You gotta grope him.
Yeah, give him a
like,
good
like
squeeze.
this.
He's like, oh, okay.
He's like,
Sounds like a good idea. Are you a virgin girl or an adult demon?
Wow, she's so rude.
Don't be a
She's
pussy.
I know, literally.
Pussy out.
Am I not good enough for you, Natan?
oh my god.
She's egging him on too.
Yeah. Look at freaking Artifice's face. He's like, yeah.
He's like, yeah, I like where this is going.
Yeah, he's like, fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh god. Natan squeezes my chin lightly, doing so carefully so as to not harm me.
So
At least, okay,
practice
so considerate. He knows they're very sensitive.
They are very soft.
They are very soft. After a moment, he places his second hand on my chest. I just imagine him just being like,
How awkward this would be.
like just one hand, second hand.
Other hand. Take the reins.
Take the reins. Oh my god. Take the reins. That is friggin' amazing.
Yeah, like what?
What?
No, that's where Cordelsa comes in.
Oh my god. I have never experienced this. Oh, come on. Like, she hasn't touched her own tits before?
Bullshit.
Yeah. Lies.
You always wanted to do that, am I right? From the moment you first saw them.
Oh my
A
god.
woman's breast, no matter the race, is still a woman's breast. Tits are tits, man. There ain't no difference between boobs. I
Little
bet that you have never seen such magnificent form. It is often difficult to determine whether a northern demoness is a woman or a mountain troll. Racist. Yeah. Disgusting.
Oh my goodness. No, I just thought it was funny because every time you fail, you just be like, ugh, and sound so disappointed. You were just like, oh.
Fuck.
Shit.
Shit. But I am your
Oh god.
His hands are still boobs, aren't they?
Ah,
Stop touching my boobs.
I know. Ah! It's her getting their attention. They're like talking about like whatever. And she's just like, ah! Artifice turns me around and presses my back against the prince's chest. And I can feel that Natan is already at a much higher level of preparedness than I had thought. Oh my god.
Merge your magic. Feel it in your...
Oh god.
You know what?
Offer her a taste of it.
Oh god. It doesn't burn, but I can feel the heat coming from his palm. Coming from him. I made a word. I saw the word and I thought it needed to be there.
You came up with the word.
Yeah. With his second hand, he takes one of Natan's and slides it to my other thigh. Oh god.
Making up sounds now. No,
Um,
oh.
Fire burns.
Why did we do the same
ice
voice?
freezes.
What the fuck?
Is it not a pleasant contrast?
Oh man, when I first played this, I literally, there's gonna be art, don't worry, but when I first played this, when this happened, I was like, this is what I imagine it to be like if you fucked both Natsu and Grey at the same time.
Of course that's
Yeah, that's literally where I went to. I was
Seems
like,
realistic.
it seems realistic. Because what, like, obviously Natsu has fire magic and then Grey has ice, and I was like, I feel like that is what would be like in the enemy lives. It sounds like his stomach growled. He's like, I'm hungry. Where's my pie? One touches gently, the other squeezes hungrily. I mean, I did say Natan was hungry.
I'm here. He's trying to find the pie.
He's
Reaching
trying to
up
find
in
the
there for the
pie.
pie.
They move lower and lower until I feel them. There?
Oh, come on. We got
Oh my god,
there.
stop with the sounds.
You gotta make the sound.
Ah!
Oh, they went in a bit rough there then.
Oh my god. Bye, gentle.
Go ahead. Your darkness. Do not be shy. Not refuse. Touch. Hospitality.
I'm just imagining this situation with someone that sounds like that, who sounds so not interested, but they're doing it anyway.
That would just be like really awkward.
I know, it would be so
Would be.
awkward. I feel his fingers caress the most delicate parts of my body.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No, not my son. What is he doing?
You're like, no, not my son.
You know, they're like, no, they've ruined him.
And I'm like, ah, yes, sex.
You were so precious.
Hey, they all have
Now
sex.
look what they've done.
Oh my god. And then they are inside of me. Oh my god! I like how you guys complain about getting the, like, gross lines, and I'm reading this shit. Like, I'm the one who gets what she thinks.
You're the one who gets the worst lines.
Literally, I'm the one who has to say it.
Yes, she gets this one.
Mine are just cringy.
It's like,
Yeah.
good.
Mine
This
just-
feels good.
And yours are just.
Ooh.
Oh, there you go.
I'm not gonna lie, I do like this art.
He groped the
The
booty.
only thing I don't like, Artifice's face looks a bit weird.
Yeah, I
He
think
looks a bit. He looks like he's lost a couple brain cells.
He looks like he's going cross-eyed. He's like, oh. Heat and cold enters into me, flowing about. Oh god. And I cannot close my legs together as Artifice's free hands holds them open. I'm unable to restrain my full enjoyment or my moans. My god. They are both so close. Natana gently kisses my neck. I like how there's like something happening and Natana she's like
He's like,
He's like, "Mwah, I'll just kiss your ear. Mwah."
Artifice bites my ear. One is cool, one and soft, the other hot and ruthless. Gee, I wonder who's who.
Yeah.
It'd be funny if it was the opposite.
yeah.
Yeah, plot twist.
Like, Natana's just going
The tank going on your ear.
it's just, he gets bit off. Like,
It's just bleeding. And you're like, oh.
after that, I almost feel my legs buckling beneath me, but the demons hold me up and gently plant me on Natana's bed. God, I hope it's big enough.
His bed's huge. This is all over.
I thought we were talking about, you know.
That was great.
I
Oh.
hope it's big enough. Tent in there. Fucking.
As soon as you started laughing, I knew exactly what you were on about, and I was like, "Yep." Really,
Oh, I spat all over my screen from Ew. Fucking.
Oh.
Assist you to your darkness.
Manage.
I'll manage. I'm fine, thank you.
Leave the rest for homework.
He just has like a magazines of just porn. Just goes, here you go.
He just dumps a bunch of porn on the bed and leaves.
Read.
He's like, here you go, child. Read.
And
Here you
pats
go,
his head
small
like,
boy.
good job,
Read
good
this
job.
porn.
Read this porn. But my prince, I want you. And you, Artifice too. He's like, say what?
Silent. Wait, what?
Speechless for the first time ever.
I don't need to explain what happened next, but you're going to anyway. The following hours were filled with,
Yeah.
with strange surprises
We do anyway.
and discovers.
I'll continue on anyway.
She's like, I don't need to explain, but I'm going to.
Another 5 paragraphs.
I know, right? Credelta came to check on the prince and discovered 2 demons sleeping peacefully next to each other in Natan's bed. Oh my god.
So, I ask again. What were you doing in my prince's bed without pants? A small taste of some rounded so to speak.
Oh.
Like thighs?
What?
What? So,
Oh my
I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite thing.
specifically 2, you know?
This
2,
is great.
2 dangly rounded parts.
Oh my god, his face though. He's like, the fuck?
That is what I'm asking you. How dare you touch the prince? My prince is a true.
His face
The
though.
true of the southern sex scoundrel before such acts.
He's like, oh my god.
Oh my
I
gosh.
love his face. He's like, that face says he did that.
I know.
I know that humans disgust you. You cannot stand that human. You even once said turning her into a chandelier.
And she
I remember
wanted to
that.
eat her thigh. They're made for each other.
Because to her is fine.
And I also happen to know that sort of common in the South. Racist. The prince is so fragile but refined with smooth, snowy skin.
Do you know what's funny? I didn't read that it said Credelta, so I actually thought it was Artemis who said this, and I was about to be like, wait, what?
Like it was reading.
I wish.
I'm sure a pervert like you couldn't resist his youth and beauty. Now she's egging him on.
I know, right? She's like, yeah, it was all
I
me.
knew it.
It wasn't easy building a relationship with you, but I've been thirsty for revenge. She's suddenly so diabolical. Although I admit,
She was the mastermind this whole.
I know. Well, you did say something about his charming movements and noble features. But I am sure you didn't mean anything by that, did you? See, this is what I would have done. I would have done that. I would have been like, well, you did say that. After all, I remember you saying that you desired an interesting and productive union between the North and the South. See, this is... If she acted like this the entire time, I'd be so on board.
Delta's just like fucking pissed right now.
She's like getting her sword out. She's like, oh, I'm about to kill this motherfucker.
I'm about to fucking shish kebab this.
This shish kebab. And the South will not unite with the North. Splendid.
It is fortunate that we have squashed attempts of subterfuge. You should be more careful, my prince. What does she mean?
After that, there is another commotion with the prince now, luckily, that the guard came running to protect him from Credelta. Or she would have strangled him in an attempt to get answers. Now he can not
Splendid.
shrink his duties and eat sweets all night. Splendid!
I was right.
Oh my god.
The North.
The North remembers.
That's a Game of Thrones thing. Ugh.
Ugh.
They referenced it before.
Ending 7, A Strange Dream.
A wet dream.
A wet dream,
Should
right?
have called it that. That would have been funny. Ugh.
That's it, really.
Yeah, wow.
All the other endings are like
Wow.
quick death ones. I think, yeah. We did it.
That was an experience.
I know, right?
Well, that was the finale.
Is it insane though?
It was entertaining, but like story-wise, this is so stupid.
It was pretty stupid.
It was pretty stupid. Like we had fun.
Yeah.
We had fun with it,
We did.
but like I feel like
One thing
having
that really got to me, like the entire,
Yeah.
like they'd mentioned all like different creatures and shit, and
But,
it's
like,
just,
never
it
showed.
just feels like slapped on.
Do you know what I
They,
feel
like,
like it
made
was?
it
They
cool.
wrote all the fun scenes and then they're like, shit, we need to actually have like a world and like everything else. Quick, let's just
Yeah.
write everything
Yeah.
in.
Called,
Also,
like,
I feel like
like a
this art
beast of some
here.
kind.
He keeps reminding me of Dimitri.
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, I can totally see that, yeah.
That's what I see. And I'm like, yeah.
But the difference is Dimitri
more
has
purple.
character development and you actually give a shit.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I cared about Natane, kinda.
I
He's
kinda
cute.
did, he's
I mean, I
cute.
kind of cared about him.
Kinda,
I cared
but
about
like,
him more than I cared about Art. Not gonna lie.
But I like Artifice in a way just because he makes me laugh. But then again, that might be just the big cheese saying his lines.
That's definitely.
Yeah, probably
the thing.
that. But we shall end it there. What do the YouTube kids
Alright.
do?
Like, comment,
Yeah,
subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Like, comment,
Stay safe, wash your hands.
Hit that notification button.
Yeah, hit that bell.
Cough in
Hit
the
that
background.
bell, man.
I don't know if it got picked up, but then there's just a.
And
Never leave.
play all the visual novels
You'll be
like we're
alright.
doing. Woo!
Or watch this video.
Or watch this
Yeah.
video. That's God knows how long. You gotta say bye so I can actually press stop.
Sorry.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Good.
Bye!
Bye.